students, today we will discuss about the desert habitat. What is desert habitat? Desert habitat means the organism live in the area where lot of sand and less amount of water. In the daytime, desert sand become very hot. That means daytime is very hot. Temperature in the daytime is very high. But at the night, this sand will cool and temperature will be down. Temperature is decrease. In that desert habitat, you learn desert animal number of time, that is camel. Number of time we will learn camel as desert animal. So there are beside camel को छोड़ के बेटा वही desert animals are also others like desert rat, desert snake. Beta, desert rat and desert snake, these are the animal, they live in the deep hole, sand में, walls में और in soils. Rats or snake make a hole, that is deep hole, and they stay in the daytime in the deep hole because in the deep of the sand or soil temperature is less temperature is there as compared to the top layer of the sand. Daytime sand, due to sun, sand become hot, that means rise in temperature very much. To maintain its body in the desert area, they will stay in the deep holes. These deep holes are known as burrows. That means desert snake or desert rat stay in the deep holes or burrows in the sand or in the soil in the daytime, because in the daytime top layer of the sand has maximum temperature. This temperature is not beared by desert rat or desert snake body, so they will move down. Beta, camel have long legs to maintain itself above the ground, but rat and snakes, they do not have any legs. Their body directly present on the surface of the soil, and in the daytime sand become very hot, and body of these animals on the soil, they will be burned, they cannot survive. For their survival, due to they do not have legs, for their survival in the daytime they always stay in the deep holes, and they will come out in the night time, because at the night time sun is going out, sun will be set, and resultant temperature of the sand will decrease, and the temperature of the sand at the night time is favorable for the rats and snake, so they will be moved outside. In the daytime, beta, desert habitat have very hotter temperature in the daytime and cooler temperature in the night time. Then beta, camel also adopts some characters to stay or to survive itself in the desert habitat, that is long legs that keep the body away from the hot sand. Second, beta, camel drink less and less water or drink water in several years, so it will pass out urine in very less amount. We drink water number of time in a day and goes out to pass the urine 3 or 4 or 5 times, but camel pass out less urine because it drink water after few days. In 7, beta, camel survives 7 days in the Registan without water. As the water body come near or in front of the camel drink lot of water and store that water in the body. जहाँ भी कैमल को पानी मिल जाता है, कैमल वहाँ lot of पानी पी लेता है एक ही बार में, और उस पानी को अपनी बॉडी में स्टोर कर लेता है, जब चाहिए तभी उस पानी को यूज़ करता है। और यूरिन कम पास आउट करता है, स्वेटिंग इसे होती नहीं, रिजल्टिंग बॉडी से वाटर मूव्स आउट ही नहीं होता। तो आपके पास जितने भी डेजर्ट एनिमल हैं, सब में आपके पास एक करेक्टर है, दे सर्वाइव इन द डेजर्ट रीजन विद लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, with less amount of water, less sweating from their skin, and they pass less amount of urine in a day. This is all about the desert animal. Now for the desert plant. Beta, like animals, plants are also present in the desert area. If you compare the plant present in desert area and in your area, you will see plants in the desert area have leaves, smaller leaves with small surface area. In our area, leaf is just like this, but in desert area, leaves are like this, smaller, very much smaller, because during transpiration, leaves remove water from the plant body. In desert area, less amount of water is there. If leaves like this, large amount of water will be moves out. How photosynthesis take place? So, desert area में जितने भी leaves हैं, बेटा they are smaller in size because they are smaller surface area. They release less amount of water during transpiration. Less amount of water during transpiration. Desert plant बेटा लीव्स आर आइदर एब्सेंट, या तो लीव्स होंगे ही नहीं, और वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, और वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, या लीव्स बहुत छोटे साइज के होंगे, और समटाइम्स लीव्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्पाइन्स. बेटा समटाइम्स लीव्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्पाइन्स. यू विल सी अ प्लांट कैक्टस इन योर होम एज अ ऑर्नामेंटल पर्पस. कैक्टस जो हमारे सोसाइटी में आसपास आपने कहीं ना कहीं देखा है, ये ग्रीन लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, इसी के ऊपर बहुत सारे लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर निकले होते हैं, और इसके ऊपर ये स्पाइन्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे कांटे से चुभ जाते हैं हमें अगर हम हाथ लगाएं तो. रिजल्टेंट बेटा दीज स्पाइन्स आर द लीव्स. दीज स्पाइन्स आर द लीव्स. व्हाई लीव्स आर एब्सेंट or leaves are very small in size or leaves are converted into surface area? Answer: because if leaves are small or converted into spine, they reduce very less amount of water in the form of transpiration. They reduce very less amount of water during transpiration. Beta example cactus. You see cactus in your surrounding, that is thick leaf-like structure. This thick leaf-like structure is stem. This thick leaf-like structure is stem, and spines. Spines are leaves. Spines are leaves. Beta cactus leaves-like structure. It is known as stem. If you see and touch this leaf-like structure, you feel some waxy layer. And on this leaf-like structure, thick waxy layer is present to reduce the loss of water, and body of cactus retain maximum amount of water. From this stem, this plant will do photosynthesis because this leaf-like structure stem is green in color. It contains chlorophyll. This leaf-like structure is known as stem, and this stem consists of chlorophyll, hence photosynthesis occur in stem. Otherwise, in plain area, photosynthesis is done by leaves because leaves are green in color and they have chlorophyll. But in desert plant, leaves are absent. That means photosynthesis is done only by stem. Leaves are small in size. That means very few amount photosynthesis is done by leaves. Otherwise photosynthesis plant need food ना, तो कहाँ से बनाए? photosynthesis से. तो photosynthesis का काम भी किसको करना पड़ेगा? stem को. और stem भी photosynthesis के ड्यूरिंग अगर थोड़ा बहुत पानी इवेपोरेट करे तो वो क्यों, कहाँ से करे? उसको करने के लिए कि वो पानी को थोड़ा भी इवेपोरेट ना करे, थोड़ा भी बाहर ना निकाले, एक वैक्सी लेयर नेचर ने इसके ऊपर कोट कर दिया। उस वैक्सी लेयर की वजह से क्या है कि जितना भी पानी जड़ों से ये एब्जॉर्ब करेगा वो सारा पानी इसी स्टेम में स्टोर हो जाए। And spines are the leaves. Beta, these spines are leaves. You see these spines are not green in color. So photosynthesis is not done by the spines. Second thing, desert plant have long roots. Second thing, desert plant have long roots inside the soil. Inside the soil. Why they have long roots inside the soil? Because of long roots, they absorb lot of water. Because of the long root, they absorb lot of the water. Clear? That means in desert habitat, animals drink less water and remove less amount of urine through the body because they retain water for longer time. Clear? Now in desert plants, in desert area, plants are also modified in those conditions which are used for survival of that plant in the desert. These characters, roots are long, leaves are absent or small in size, sometimes leaves are converted into spines, and stem behave as leaf. Stem become green, thick, covered by waxy layer. That means it will lose less amount of water and retain water for longer time inside the body. Thank you.